So this wish is for Batman to be real.
My wish is for Disneyland.
All right. I wish I could walk and talk.
Go bowling.
Awesome.
All right.
A cure for my disease.
I wish to be a movie star. I wish one day I would be able to walk.
This one says a cure for my disease. I hope my mom has a good Christmas. And this one, no matter what, whether Kay is sick or not, I wish she will always know we love her and we will always take care of her from Courtney.
Happy, healthy, fun life with so much love for her, and in return shows it. Love, Mom. This one says, my wish is to get healthy. And this one says, my wish is lots of laughter and health. Know just how much she is loved. Love, Mom.